Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel where I'm going to be analyzing the biggest company in the world today based on market capitalization, which is Nvidia. Right away you can see Nvidia has been doing absolutely awesome since its quarterly report. Of course, a lot of persons have been skeptical about the drop in the Nvidia price after the report on the 27th of August. Today is 1st of August, and of course, today there is no market in the United States because of the Labor Day. Yes, and so after the report on that 27th, the stock price dropped. And some persons have been wondering why, because there was a huge large of expectation for this biggest company in the world, and so the moment they dropped their quarterly report, in fact the price dropped down. And what do you do as a value investor? Because this is a structured company that has been built to grow. And so the best thing you do is to step in, because when the street is red, when there is blood in the street, that is when we enter to eat. You may not understand this. When there is blood in the street, we enter to eat. But that is what we call value investors, buying shares below their intrinsic value. And so I'm going to show you a few things that you need to add to your understanding of this stock. This is Nvidia sitting the first, and the market cap is currently $4.2 trillion. It has taken over from Microsoft, Apple, even Amazon, and the analyst rating is showing strong buy for you to buy this stock strongly. And so I'm going to check the forecast. I'm going to check the forecast for this particular stock and see where it's going to lead to, so that if you are buying, you know why you are buying this stock. And so again, why is this stock price so down? One is that since March of 2025, there was this US-China trade war. Donald Trump leashing out a lot of tariff against China, and so it affected Nvidia because it's the giant of AI. They build a lot of chips, and one of their biggest market is China. But because of that tariff and the ban for Nvidia to sell their chip in China, but at the end of the day, as a business enterprise, as a business force in the world, they negotiated to be able to sell to China, and that approval came around second week of August, that Nvidia has to be paying 15% of all its sales in China, and they accepted. But that is why you should know that this particular report that just came 27th of August did not include China's market. You just need to understand this secret, because if you don't, you may be thinking that Nvidia's price is going to drop. Nvidia is going to hit $250 before 2025 ends. Yes, you have to mark this. As a coach, I always tell my community what they should expect, and once they beat that projection, I'm very, very fulfilled. So be ready to take the profit. Be ready to take it as soon as it picks up. And so look at it. This is the projection and the rating analysis. Strong buy showing 48% for you to buy. Hold is only showing 10, and buy showing 10, hold 7, sell no, and then strongly sell just almost 0. And so for you to buy this particular stock, you just need to focus and get it. And you can see the forecast. The current price is 174. Expected on the average, this stock should be $214 to $250. You see what I'm saying? And on the maximum, it will hit 389. Absolutely the best thing that you must put into your consideration as you are trying to understand Nvidia. And so if I come here to my Yahoo Finance, you can see how Nvidia has been trading. 6 months ago it was trading around $100, you know, that is around April and thereabout. You can see 1 year ago Nvidia traded the same 100 and so forth and so forth. So currently 1 year after, it is trading 48%. That is absolutely one of the best way that you can build wealth. One of the best way that you can build wealth, you see. So and then moving forward from here, so for you to buy a company like this, you always check the fundamentals of stock like this to know the best point to enter the market, and now is the best time to enter and buy this particular stock. And I have this stock in my portfolio where I'm already making profit. Yes, I'm already making profit. This is Nvidia. I bought this stock when it was also trading $138.32. I have 20 units of it. Yes, I have 20 units of it, and currently I'm already in profit and I'm building wealth. I'm giving it like 2, 3 to 5 years to come. I want to see what profit I'm making on Nvidia. You can see I'm already making $717 at the current level, and the moment this stock enters 250, that is blossom. So there is no savings that you can have in your bank account that can give you this kind of growth. So you partner with companies that are growing, and then you see how your wealth is going to grow. So for those of you who want to buy, make sure you buy Nvidia. Even if you don't have the complete money to buy a unit of it, you can put $50, $100, $20, $10. It will definitely grow. So guys, if you like this particular video, please do me one big favor: subscribe and like this video. Help this video to get at least 50 likes. See you in the next video.